Got a slight problem with this windscreen wiper. It goes to the side of the screen too far. Probably needs replacing. These adjustments keep throwing out. So those were fairly tight, so there hasn't been any movement. But you can see it's gone too far off the edge of the screen. And these have got little levers to adjust, but they come loose, so we're going to fix that up too. The ROCA W12, just going to take this cover off, make sure nothing slipped inside. So these are your adjustment screws here to change the swing, so we'll just make sure those are tight. And there's actually a parker switch here, so you can get it parked to the port of the star, but it doesn't have to be where you've got it. So we'll just get it to its full travel, which is about here. And I'll just rule a bit of a line with a whiteboard marker. So we can just loosen off this screw here. And this one just pulls off if you give it enough curry. And we're just gonna go right in the guts of it. Alrighty, so we've drilled a hole through these, tapped it out at M4, and we've got some little M4 bolts here with a fucking spring washer, float washer and nylon. Just put a bit of Loctite on there for extra security. So that's that, they've got the set screws in there, and protruding out in there, good bit of meat, so no need for a nut, and it's flush. So I've got this guy ready to go. So we'll put this guy on here. That's about as far as it's travel. We'll lock her off there. Alright. We'll see how that guy goes. So he's gone a lot further this time. It went all the way to here. We'll see where it parks. It's parked there this time, but there's that much slop in it, depending on the inertia and how it grabs, that on a real clean screen, probably new blade, it will go this far, and then we'll see how far we can get it to go to this side. We'll change where it parks. But that might be just have to be the happy medium. A little bit annoying, but that's the curve just starts here. So if it just sweeps the flat, at least you got a little portal of vision. These are a little bit of a Sudoku setup. So you got to try not to get. It helps when you got these. Actually, it helps. Just twist it like that and it pulls off. Don't muck around any more than you need to, because I spent hours trying to figure this out. How to lock this in, and that's it there. Alrighty, just make sure nothing's moved. Beautiful. So I just put a little bit extra grease on there because it was quite thin, and I just put this cover back on. Just be careful not to over tighten it, because it's only plastic and it's been broken before.